onye dịka gị ide ebube onye ukwu ọma ihe ndị tụrụ na ya ịkarịrị echiche mmadụ adịghị onye dịka gị. We cry of a Father, hallowed be your name, hallowed be your name, hallowed be your name. We cry of a Father, hallowed be, lift up the voice everywhere. Hallowed be your name. Wave your hands for Jesus.
Thank you for watching this video. I believe you are blessed. I want to pray with you. Father, in the name of Jesus, I want to thank you for that girl, that boy, that man, that woman that just watched this video. Father, whatsoever that be he or her expectation, receive it now in the name of Jesus. Are you sick? I pray for your healing now. Receive your healing. Are you looking for a job? Are you looking for contract? Are you looking for academic? In your marriage? Are you looking for fruit of the womb? Receive in the name of Jesus. Now I want you to share this video and also like this video. We'll be coming your way from time to time to be a blessing to you. Don't forget to share, don't forget to like, drop your comment on the comment section. I'll be here to always pray with you. Don't forget to share this video. Share, be an evangelist. We are going to reach the world. We will take the gospel to every part of the world. God bless you.